Hi guys, so for this week's design I started off with white. I'm then going to use a makeup sponge and we're going to sponge these 3 shades of purple. Then over the top I'm going to use this Scattered Hollow. This is one of my own brands. Check out the link below if you want to have a look at my Etsy store. So as you can see, we're now going to do some abstract detail. We're going to use a black and a white striper. I'm going to start with the white first. So we're going to do 2 white lines and 2 black lines. I'm just making up where they go. They're not the same on each nail, they're also varying lengths. Once you've done the lines, we're going to get a dotting tool, staying with black and white. And I'm doing either 2 or 3 rows of dots, different sizes in different locations, just using it how I see fit to fill the space.